Hello everyone, this is Aditi and welcome to Art Crumbs. So, before wasting any time on the occasion of Guru Purnima, let's start drawing a quick and a beautiful drawing of Guru Purnima. For that, I have taken here an A4 size drawing sheet and drawn a circle of 3 to 3.5 inches. You can use a compass or you can draw it with any circular thing. Once the sketching is complete, then we will be doing the coloring part, and there we will be using the plastic crayons, the oil pastels, the brush pens, the sketch pens, the markers and so on. You can find the list of all things that I have used in the tagged products. So as we see here, our Guru is here, and Guru is the one who teaches us knowledge, wisdom, discipline, creativity and so on. So this occasion of Guru Purnima is very important. I hope you are enjoying this drawing. So friends, the drawing is about to complete. If you like this drawing, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel Art Crumbs and also press the bell icon for all further updates. And if you have any queries, you can mention them in the comment section, or you can reach out to me on my Gmail ID artcrumbsforyou@gmail.com. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and carry on. Enjoy your day. Have a nice day. Till the next time, see you. Tata. Bye bye.